welcome to another episode of Emerson's Craft Time, and today we are going to be making a fishing rod. You will be needing string popsicle sticks, tape, and a hook. I'm using this hook. It's a little like golden one. Whoops, sorry. It's a golden hook, and so it's a golden hook. It's not if you have a fishing hook, you don't actually go fishing with this. But if you have a fishing hook, you can just ask if you can use it. I don't have one, so I just have this. It's like a screw hook. So yeah, first we are going to be making. So let's go. I've never actually done this before, so we're going to see how it looks. Okay, so we're going to start off with the sticks. If any of you guys watching play Minecraft, you know you need 3 sticks, 2 pieces of string to make a fishing rod. That's what I'm trying to do here. But we need to make it strong. So take your tape. I'm using this tape. Make sure the hook's shiny. Actually, do not go fishing with this, but you can pretend to. So I'm going to tape this real quick. Oh yeah, I forgot to do the trick that we learned that last episode. If you haven't watched the other video on how to make the sword, this is a part of the series also. So yeah, make sure to go check out that the sword one. I don't have it on me right now. Hold on. Okay, I can show you what. I'll give you a little sneak peek of what the sword looked like. But I'll show you that I'll show you that in a couple minutes. It looked like this. This is what you made. So last week's video, yeah, we made that. So make sure to go check that out. And yeah. Easter's coming up, so we'll go after this series. We also might be making some armor, so paper armor, so look out for that. Hold on. So we might be making paper armor for the series. I'm not sure though. And then we're going to get back to this after Easter probably. Easter is in a couple months still, like 3 months. Like 1 month. So yeah, so we're going to be doing some Easter crafts. So make sure you got some. We have some decorations up already that are Easter themed. Oh wow, this is actually really hard making this. You should put a popsicle stick in like this. So take 3 popsicle sticks. Put one like this, and then like one like that, and then one like that. So and then just put a popsicle stick in the middle. So and make sure to tape them all together. So because we want this really strong, right? It has to be really strong for this to work. Well, we're actually not going to go real fishing, but it's okay. Part of the actually don't go hunting. I know I said it last episode. I'm probably going to say it every episode. But don't actually go hunting with this. It is not actually to go hunting. And if you do go real hunting, do not actually bring this. We're also going to be having some other things, so make sure you have some rubber bands because the next couple of episodes, because not next week's episode, the other week's episode, not the next episode. The episode after the next video that I'm going to record. So, so make sure you have some rubber bands ready because we're going to be making something. Should I note to you? Okay. Okay. I just need one more popsicle stick. Slide that in. Make sure to leave it nice and in there. I hope you guys are having a good day. I forgot to say that in the last episode. I hope you guys are having a good day today. My brother is taking a nap. My sister's, my 3-year-old brother is taking a nap. My 5-year-old sister is taking a bath. And then my 16-year-old sister is, I think, on the couch or she's like sleeping. She's awake now, but she might be tired. She's definitely not. She's not sleeping. She's probably like just getting ready for the day. I'm still in my pajamas. I forgot to change this morning. It is after lunchtime right now. I didn't really have anything for lunch, but I wasn't that hungry. Hold on. I can't get this piece in. I can't get this on. I cannot hold this piece on tight enough. Hold on. This is really hard. Finally, and then you should have a ginormous stick like this. Wow, this is really big. I'm not actually going to color it in this episode. I think I'll use this string. Now, step 2. I forgot to say you also need scissors. And where's my scissors? I don't got any scissors. Let me just check this real fast. Okay. Scissors. Just 1 second. I'm going to need some scissors for my bin. Oh no. Come on. Hold on. I'm just looking to see if I know where my other scissors are, but I don't. So I guess I'm using blue scissors for now, but it's okay. Now unroll this. I feel like this is long enough. It's so big that I can't even show you guys. Oh, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, the bell notification button so you'll never miss out on another video. And we're on our way to 100 subscribers first. It's a lot, but we can probably do it. Oh my goodness, this thing's long. I should have. This is actually kind of tricky. Get my tape ready. Now we can do this. Hopefully it's not hard to actually attach to the hook part. Like I said, don't actually go fishing with this. The partners are going to break whenever you catch something. So yeah, that's all we'll need for today's episode. Make sure to go check out all the other crafts that I've done so far. I've only done a couple because I just started this YouTube thing. So I'm kind of new to this. So yeah. And then once you attach the string, it should look like something like this. Then go fishing, but I don't have to hook yet. And it's still really kind of fun to play with. It's flimsy, so you might want to add some extra tape supports once you make this. And now time for the fun part, attaching the hook. How am I going to do this? I don't really choose this side. This might be a little hard actually. This is really hard to make sure you got a good hook. My hook's a little kinda crazy. Something that tape doesn't really stick to. Something that tape actually sticks to. Not a metal screw hook. It does not really work that well. I'm probably going to have to use lots of tape. Tape, 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 tape. By the one out of it. Tape, 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 tape. I hope I don't run out of it. Oh, I forgot to check the comments from last episode to see. Oh yeah, if you haven't checked out it, I said yes, I want to see you build with little hashtags with pluses, or no, I don't want to see you build with little hashtags of pluses. And then once you attach the hook, the hook should be attached, and we're done. Well, not yet. We're not done yet. We have to make some fishies. You can grab some. I did plan on doing this part, so yeah. So grab whatever color construction paper you want. I did not plan on doing this, but I just thought to do. I just thought of this. I know how to make some cool little fishies. So yeah, let's make them. So first you cut it out like this until you have one of these. And then once you have that, go to one side and cut that way. And then go to the bottom and cut the opposite direction. So then you should have that going like that and that going down. That goes down, this goes up. Once you do that, draw some little eyes. I'm going, whatever color eyes. I'll use my panda pen. Kind of hard to use, but it's okay. You'll draw one eye here. I don't know why I'm using a pen to draw eyes, but it's okay. I draw a little mouth. This fish has a mouth now. And then once you draw that, that's the face I drew. You take it together, and well, this crack is and that crack is. Slide them together. They should be about the same size. And then so slide those together. It take you a minute. And then it's a fish. It's a flying fish. Mine doesn't work that well. Oh yeah, it's also really cool to do. So hold on, let me just grab it. So what you do is you put it really high up. Yeah, I'll come show you. Okay, so I'm going to try to be really careful. Hold on, my little fishy book. If you want, you can tape it. But then we're going for a little ride. You throw it up high, and then it falls down like that. So it falls down like that. So yeah, I'll just put you guys back up there. Be right back. Oh, never mind. The camera follows me. So thanks for watching today's episode of Emerson's Craft Time. That was how to make the fishing rod and the fishy. If you want, you can actually like tape there, and there together, so it won't fall. And you can also make tons of fishies with different faces. So thanks for watching today's episode. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.